As we begin this practice, let's take a moment to welcome and congratulate ourselves for being here. That we are actually taking this time to be present. To go inside, into our own lives. Let's take a few moments to feel that we are in the mind and body with a mindful check-in. Feeling any sensations, any tightness in the body, as well as feeling into your mood, feeling into our emotions, and just acknowledging whatever's being felt, and letting it be. Just feeling how we are with awareness, and acknowledging whatever there is to be felt.